My name is Betty Bua, and I'm a student from University of Ghana, environmental science student. We are here basically to do plastic monitoring and then see which of the plastic is available. We went to the field to do river banks collection of plastic. We did the water itself collection, the river itself in the Odo River. So we pick from upstream and then the downstream. And here we are sorting out the bottles that we have. With the bottles, we are having those above 500 mils, and then those within 500 mils and below, less. And we've noticed that we have so many bottles within the low, less than 500 and 500 mil. And then what we are doing is we want to find out which of the brands is predominant in the samples that we have taken. And we've noticed that there is one specific brand which is dominating. We have sorted them according to water, the drinkable ones according to beverages.
Today we have a lot of PET bottles, that is less than 0.5 liters, and a lot of water sachet, and besides that also a lot of electronics. Yeah.
Okay, and what is your own project about?
Okay, so my project actually is on finding the urban plastic nexus between plastics and then flats, actually. And as part of it, there'll be also the baseline assessment of the whole adult system. And from there, we look at the accumulation zones and model with a flat modeler to give us some insights on the contribution plastics have on the estate of flat.
Okay, and what do you think the unit guidelines can bring to the field of plastic monitoring?
Okay, I think it gives in that harmonization in terms of protocol application in different areas, and it also gives that consistency in data. Yeah. So we don't have different methods to give you different data, but when you have it's like a harmonized method, you have a harmonized or consistent data irrespective of the area. Yeah.